Google just released Gemini 3.7 Flash, and this looks like much more than a small update. Google is calling it its most intelligent workhorse model yet for coding and agents. But the real question is not whether the name sounds faster. It is whether Gemini can actually complete real work faster, with fewer retries and less manual intervention. So let's look at what Google is showing. These are Google's own published benchmarks, not my independent tests. And the gains are significant. On production code quality, Gemini 3.7 Flash reaches 43.6% compared with 34.4% for Gemini 3.6 Flash. On complex PDF comprehension, it reaches 34% versus 22%. And on enterprise workflow automation, the improvement is even larger. But benchmark numbers are only part of the story. What interests me more is what happens when the model has to actually build something. Here, Gemini starts from a simple instruction and moves toward a playable 3D experience. Then we see it working on interfaces, visual layouts, code, and interactive web experiences. Google says 3.7 Flash can produce more functional layouts and more complete applications in fewer prompts. And that matters, because the biggest productivity gain is not saving 2 seconds on one response. It is reducing the number of times you need to correct the AI and tell it what to do again. The same idea extends into more complex agent systems. In these examples, Gemini is not simply generating text. Multiple components can work together, interpret visual information, execute tasks, and move through a larger workflow. That is much closer to an AI agent than a traditional chatbot. And this is where Gemini 3.7 Flash becomes especially interesting for real businesses. Google is showing examples involving knowledge work, complex documents, software development, and enterprise automation. The company also says the model handles roadblocks better, follows instructions more accurately, and puts more effort into multi-step planning and tool calls. That should mean fewer failed attempts, fewer retries, and less manual supervision. So when we talk about speed, this is important. A model can save more time by getting the workflow right than by simply generating words faster. Then there is Gemini Spark. Google describes Spark as a personal AI agent that can keep working on tasks while remaining under your direction. In this demonstration, the agent can search connected Google Workspace information, understand the requested objective, and move through several steps instead of waiting for a separate prompt for every action. This is probably one of the most important parts of the update. The future of AI is increasingly moving from answering questions to completing workflows. So did Gemini get way faster? I would not describe this only as raw response speed. The bigger upgrade is faster practical execution, stronger coding, better multi-step reasoning, improved tool use, and fewer retries. And that could save much more time. If you want more practical AI tests like this, subscribe to Fisi Tech Lab, like the video, and tell me in the comments what you want me to test next.